I myself gone through many different areas of mental health. I walked through depression, but by the grace of God, I came out the other side with new hope, new confidence. Still, sometimes I go through this, but God, in His good mercy, is helping me. Today, I want to tell you about God's character and the way He sees all these depression, lonely feelings, and suicidal thoughts. I hope this video helps anybody out there that's listening to this. Just because you have or I have struggled through these mental health issues or things like depression, anxiety, feeling of loneliness, uselessness, that doesn't mean God is mad at you. That's some kind of false feelings that fill your mind, and we often think, is God mad at us, or is God punishing us, or He has nothing to do with us. But neither of these things are true. Just because you're going through this, that doesn't mean you fail Him. That doesn't mean that you need to try harder or work better and fix all this on your own, because He's not gonna want you until you're done with this stuff. Take this kind of thoughts out of your mind, because God is our ever present help in the times of trouble. Whenever you are going through this, or when you are struggling, God wants us to lean on Him in all this. The enemy always tells you to isolate yourself, but no, God wants us to come into His presence. And there we were given the confidence, we were given hope and the joy of truth that enables us to fight, that enables us to keep preserving with a steadfast endurance. God wants us to be close with Him, not in isolation from Him. Isolation from God is not going to solve the problem. Why? Because we are weak. You know that, I know that. We are weak on our own. You may think, oh, he's saying what all the preachers say. Or you may think, I am tired of all these sayings, but trust me, this works. Whatever you are going through, kneel down and pray. Just one honest prayer can turn God's attention towards you. Try this once with honest heart and honest prayer. God doesn't want you to come to Him as a perfect being. No, that's not God. God wants us to come to Him just as we are, with all our weaknesses, with all our depression, with all our anxiety problems. He will use those weaknesses and turn into our strength, and He uses for His glory. It all sums up to one line: pray with honest heart. Oh, what a great thing it is to be used by the Creator of this universe.